everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is snowing and Ever and Landon are on the trampoline. Let's see, it's like really snowing. So basically it was in the forecast and it's the afternoon and you can see it's really snowing. This is our second snow of the year, so we'll see if it actually sticks this time, but you know, it could, it very well could. Like you can see it's already starting to stick to the ground a little bit. So it very well could. Definitely it's sticking to the trampoline. Like, so, I mean, it's coming down pretty hard, so we'll see, but we hope that it sticks this time and doesn't turn into ice, you know? That would be good.
Oh, yes, sir. YouTube channel, hitting Landon with a snowball. Alright guys.
This is not, okay.
Alright guys, today I'm going to throw
Look at the
a snowball
really...
like this little thing. Oh!
Lexi, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl?
Ever. Okay, Jordan, what?
Landon in shorts? Like, what the heck? It's just like, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll update you guys
Come on, Jordan.
in a little while. I don't even have my snow pants on. It's kind of cold. Okay, here's the update. It's starting to stick on some places, not everywhere. So, it's a little
Sticking on my hand.
just a little. Gosh. Okay. Trying to put it. It's supposed to snow for a couple more hours, so if it keeps doing like this, I don't know, until like 5 or something. So if it keeps doing like this, I don't think we're gonna have any on the roads, but you know.
You'll be trying to get your ski.
It's pretty well it's coming down. Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for it to stick to the road so I can like actually do something with it. Cause you guys like to like do so. I don't really like the snowballs and stuff.
Everyone's slipping and sliding.
Yeah, be careful up there. You might slip. But you guys can make a snowman with all that.
I know.
It's sticking right here and yeah.
If you have a trampoline, the best thing to do on its snow is jump on it. It's actually like the
Yeah. Okay. Well.
If you have a trampoline, go ahead and get on it. Yeah. Bro, I got 2 cents. Go outside and get on.
Okay, let's see what it's looking like out here. Ooh, this is like for real. Lexi, I'm just looking outside and she thinks other people are. Well, it's not sticking to the road, but it's sticking to the ground. So, I don't know. Maybe when it gets colder it will. Okay, the snow has taken a pause, at least. It might snow again in the morning. We don't know yet. But right now, I'm gonna paint my nails. I got the nail polish right here. Sorry. sorry. What I really need to do is clean off this desk because I really don't need everything that's on it, but like it's just a little bit overwhelming. So I'm gonna use this little pinkish purple and then this blue. So we're gonna paint my nails. And there they are. So I just did blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. That's what it looks like out there. Okay, now we're going on a walk. It's not snowing anymore. This is where the road was. You know that we had the snow 2 years ago? Hey everybody, I'm gonna get ready for bed and go to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning because I'm not gonna end the vlog tonight because who knows what's gonna happen in the morning with the snow and everything. So I will see you guys in the morning. This is weird. The other day these lights went out just out of nowhere. So we had to like flip the switch back on or something. I don't even know. My dad did it, but anyway, now they're flickering. That's weird. Okay, it's the next day and we woke up and this is what is on the roof. And you can see outside it's kind of like a little bit on the grass, not much. But we'll have to see if it snows anymore. There's a possible chance that it could snow this morning, like around 9 or 10 or 11. So we'll just have to see. Definitely not much, if any, but yeah, so we're just gonna be around here until around noon and then go to school for the afternoon. Okay, I just washed my hair and I'm going to organize my room a little bit real quick. So we're gonna clear off this area in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's a little better. Now we're gonna move on to my bed. So we'll fix this in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. I'm actually sleeping over at a friend's house tonight because we're going skiing tomorrow. But so that's why I'm like cleaning my room. You guys, it's snowing again. Look. See, it's like snowing just a little bit, but I have faith that it's gonna stick some more. We're gonna get some more snow. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go downstairs and see. Sticking to the road.
That's not the road, that's a sidewalk.
It's the same thing. Look.
Well,
You can see on the road. It's sticking. What are you doing? Okay, we also got a new car. It's an all-electric car, so ever is. I don't know. You can't see, but there's a lot of snow on it, but he's wiping it off, I guess. Ooh, it's cold out here.
Gigi,
Are you wiping off all the rails?
look. You can't make a snowball out of it.
Okay, it says it's gonna get 1 inch. This is like, maybe like 1/8 of an inch. So, we'll see. All right, you guys, it is officially pretty sure the end of this snowstorm. This is what our house is looking like. Again, no snow on the driveway. So we're gonna, we're gonna go to school and then I'm gonna end the vlog here I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little snowstorm vlog for Charlotte. It didn't really stick to the ground. I mean, a little bit, but. And I will see you guys next time.